Skylar.
How you doing?
We are here with, which is probably, this has got to be one of the smallest MIDI controllers I've ever seen.
Yeah, I think it is the smallest. We haven't found one. We've only found one other one that's a little smaller, but it's not as functional as Noise Machine.
So talk us through it. What exactly is Noise Machine?
So a Noise Machine is a BLE Bluetooth MIDI controller. So it has 12 buttons, an expression knob, and an octave/bank slider on it. It works with any open source DAW, Ableton, GarageBand, Koala Sampler, AUM. A lot of individuals use it for triggering sounds, mobile music production, a whole plethora of just different options.
So is this something that you've developed yourself? Or?
That's correct. So my brother, Zach, is a developer and engineer, so he came up with the product front to finish. We launched in Kickstarter in 2020 and got successfully funded. Took us about a year from prototype to finished product. Got it out there, and here we are today at NAMM 2022.
Brilliant. So you said you launched a Kickstarter, so I'm assuming it's available now, right?
It's available now on our website, so we retail those for $79.99, and then we also have a DIY kit for $59.99, which is a very simple build kit, but both are available, and this weekend only, we have free shipping across North America.
And is the build kit, is there any soldering to do, or is it?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, so it's just all you need is a soldering iron. We provide you with the Allen keys and the tools. As long as you have a soldering iron, it's pretty easy. It takes about 5-10 minutes to complete.
Brilliant. And so yeah, sorry, the price of both of them was again?
So $79.99 USD for the finished product in the packaging, or the DIY kit is $59.99, and this weekend only, free shipping.
Brilliant. Well, Skylar, thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you, Edward.